Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 14 Pro Max in two different ways. So let's get started. The first method we're going to use is the button. So locate your volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. What we're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly press and release the volume down, and finally hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So let's get started. So I'll do volume up, volume down, quickly press and release, and then I hold on to the side button. Now do not slide to power off like it says on the screen. Just keep on holding that side button so the phone can go completely black, and then once you see the Apple logo appear, we'll let go of that side button, and that's going to go ahead and restart your iPhone using the buttons. Now if it doesn't work the very first time, you need to try it a few times to get the hang of it. Keep in mind it's going to be quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another in sequence before holding on to that side button for the phone to restart. And the second method is if you have Siri enabled or using it, you can actually get Siri to also restart your iPhone by issuing a command like this: "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone."
Just to confirm, you want to restart this device?
Yes. And basically with the command like that and following up with the confirmation will also restart your iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this process works pretty much on most iPhones as well. This process will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, media, music, whatever you have in your iPhone, everything will be safe. All it is doing is, again, shutting down the phone, software, and powering it off, and then restarting it again. And that's how you do it. And I hope this video was helpful. So please do consider that like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways for iPhone as well. We'll see you guys next time.